Timing is everything. Each mango is picked only when it reaches peak ripeness. Only the healthiest fruit continues its journey to the factory.
Careful packing protects every mango from damage during transport.
Within hours, thousands of mangoes are on their way to a modern processing facility. Speed is essential to preserve freshness and natural flavor. The next stage begins inside one of the world's most advanced mango processing plants. Every hour, tons of fresh mangoes arrive for careful inspection and processing. This is where nature meets technology, transforming fresh mangoes into products enjoyed around the world. The moment every mango enters the factory, its quality journey officially begins.
Advanced optical scanners inspect hundreds of mangoes every minute with remarkable precision.
Only the best fruit moves forward. Every imperfect mango is removed before processing.
A thorough wash removes dust, leaves, and dirt collected during harvest and transport. Food-safe sanitation helps ensure every mango meets strict quality standards. Before the next step, every mango is carefully dried to prepare for sorting.
Large, medium, and small mangoes are sorted for different production needs.
Even with advanced technology, trained eyes provide one last quality check.
After passing strict quality checks, the mangoes are ready for their biggest formation. Now the fruit is clean, sorted, and ready for the next stage of production. Slice and transform fresh mangoes into delicious products enjoyed around the world.
High-speed equipment peels each mango while preserving as much fruit as possible.
The seed is carefully removed, leaving only the sweet golden fruit. Every piece is checked to ensure only premium quality fruit continues. Precision cutting creates perfectly sized pieces for different products.
The heart of the process begins as fresh fruit becomes rich, flavorful mango pulp.
Multiple filtration stages create a smooth, premium quality mango pulp. Controlled heating helps preserve freshness, flavor, and food safety. Every batch is carefully tested before it can move to the packaging line.
The fresh mango has completed its transformation. Next comes packaging, where it will be prepared for customers around the world.
Every drop of mango pulp is transferred in a sterile environment to protect its freshness and flavor.
Computer-controlled systems ensure every package contains the perfect amount of product. A secure seal helps keep the mango fresh from the factory to your table. Each package is labeled with product information, nutrition facts, and branding.
Each package is labeled with product information, nutrition facts, and branding.
Even the smallest defect is detected before the product reaches consumers. Automation speeds up packaging while protecting every product from damage. Automation speeds up packaging while protecting every product from damage.
Each pallet is securely prepared for storage and transportation.
Thousands of finished mango products are stored under carefully controlled conditions.
From this factory floor, these mango products are ready to begin their journey. They are heading to supermarkets and families across
The final journey begins as thousands of mango products leave the factory for destinations around the world. Every shipment follows a carefully planned route to deliver fresh products on time.
Within days, factory-fresh mango products are ready for shoppers to enjoy. From breakfast tables to restaurant kitchens, the journey ends with moments shared over delicious mango flavors.
Nothing goes to waste. Modern factories transform byproducts into valuable new resources. Advanced technology continues to make mango processing safer, faster, and more sustainable than ever before. Every package tells the story of skilled farmers, advanced machinery, and thousands of hours of teamwork.
From tree to table, the journey of a mango is a remarkable story of nature, innovation, and human dedication. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this documentary,